nhưng mà đây là bị cầm ra như là đây là bị và sure ini yang lalu kirim banyak kalau jumpa sen jadi untuk itu suah abang karena memang dia kan dapat berdansa dari dia ada anak tertulis orang mana saban bawa sabda Saban lagi, antara beda. Jadi dia saban kalau ada sabor orang Indo itu sampai beda duri ya. Iki pula dari lain mereka ada yang atas saban. Jam dua itu jadi makan dengan tu sarapan mana lebih besar. Besar macam apa? Memang ingat. Betul, perlu mana kita dengar kan? Mana tu sampai tu di bagian tulisan lah, yang pasal enam. Bukan sama, nah. Bukan program tu, fokus bernoul lagi. Di nanti bisnya, di televisi ronde, kita kan, kita mesti. Kemudian apa nama teh, berdua yang foto dokumen. Tidak pegang, ini apa? Kamu yang pak, buku kamu jak kuno, yang jawab kalau ni, jawab zero buku ranjang, di mana rasa tu, di mana tu kan, mana video kan supaya apa, itu supaya tanya orang tarkan tanya orang lain juga lah, tidak pernah. Sebabnya kamu gratis karena kamu nak bukan, nak minum dalam sedek, selain minum itu, sehingga fasilitasnya gratis ini. Cuma lain cuma saya mendaftar boleh mengklaim ke sekolahnya free terjaga kadang kayak yang kata boleh apa hanya di bawah dulu yang fokus berno hijau mendung yang sen kopi kita atau sen banyak yang lain begitu juga kali ini berno komentar mungkin banyak lain berbuka tahun yang nah mungkin misalnya buku Diti dan dia telefon lon, tawa telefon ayah, tawa telefon mas nami. Kamu telefon ini, kamu kontrol lah. Semoga benar betul lah. Kena buku penting, masalah kod, kerana itu boleh tawa pula. Masalah skill deh, tengah malam dia nak pokoknya tengah anak call dengan so. Siap. Kita harus ini tu kan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ada delegasi dari Denmark yang berjauh Perancis.
The period of resistance lasted for 70 years, one of the longest colonial wars in history. That's where the period from the country in March 1942. In the process, almost half of the country population was killed by the Dutch. And on December 27, 1949, the Dutch declared and in fact non-existent sovereignty over to the Indonesian regime on the island of Java without visiting the election or cancellation with the people. But there was then a time when the Dutch vanished without a trace from Aceh for 7 years. It was since 1942, thus the Dutch attempted to transfer in paper the non-existence of sovereignty over the territory, and they neither the fact nor the jury.
Sorry. I understand that there is a lot of historical information.
Yeah.
And then one of the main things was no long introduction, because after 60 seconds of information about the history, it's a little bit difficult to continue or for the people to grab their attention. But I understand the problem. What is your solution? Tell me the solution. What do you want people to sign for?
We want the international connection of the Chinese liberation movement as the right to self-determination and discrimination. And then international involvement in regard to Aceh and current human rights violation, investigation, settlement, and trial.
Okay.
And a proper discrimination process from Dutch to Aceh. And the last one is restoration of the independent state of Aceh.
Okay, and what is the title?
The title is Survival of Aceh, and the headline is
Your title only, not the headline. The title is?
The Survival of Aceh.
Yeah, it's too broad. It doesn't say what you want from the people who want to sign it. It does not.
Independence of Aceh.
It's really broad. It has to call an action. It has to ask somebody who reads it to do something. Say, support the right to self-determination of Aceh, for example. You have to ask something, so it has to start with a verb. And the verbs usually are call to action. You have to do something. Thank you so much.